Hello everyone. I just ordered the new Elgato Stream Deck Plus XL. I was waiting something like that. I was waiting for XL. I was going to buy the XL, normal XL, and then I did had a XL Plus, but then I was going to have another one. But when this dropped other day, and I just said, no, wow, my dream come true. A XL Plus wheel with buttons. I'm just unbox it. It's just gonna be basic thing. What's inside? That's it. See how it comes. It's huge. Whoa. Massive socks. That's it. And holding it on. Say I want to default. This is I just installed a something called Train Sim World 6 because it's quite new and didn't make any much software, but except I'm going to make some manually. This is just to show what it does. You have 6 wheels and that's it. That's my unboxing of this Elgato Stream Deck Plus XL. I'm gonna use it for a lot of things. The good about it, the thing is, I wanted the XL, but when I seen something coming like that, I just got rid of my XL Plus, Stream Deck Plus, and now it's a Stream Deck Plus and Stream Deck XL into one place. Thank you very much for viewing.